Right now, you must be hearing this word everywhere. LinkedIn, Google, every second AI post. That is harness engineering. Companies are hiring for it. Developers are talking about it. People are calling it the future of software development. And yet, if someone stopped you and asked, okay, but what actually is harness engineering, then most people would struggle to explain it. So let's fix this right now in this video. So in next few minutes, we are going to understand what harness engineering actually means and why it is becoming so important and how it is changing the way developers build software with AI. Alright, before I get into the actual breakdown, I want to quickly tell you about something very important. So if you want to go deep into the practical insights of this, then you should check out Simplilearn's Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI in collaboration with IITM Pravartak and Microsoft. It's a 5-month live online program and the whole point is hands-on building. Here you will get access to 29 plus tools, Claude, LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, AutoGen, Azure AI, and you will ship 10 real-world projects. Projects like an HR policy assistant, a multi-agent startup pitch generator, an agentic reg system that routes between PDF search and live web search. You also walk away with a certificate from IITM Pravartak and Simplilearn, a shot at a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park, and Microsoft Learn certificate in Azure AI and Agentic AI. Plus, live masterclasses on emerging tools and career support, mock interviews, profile optimization, mentoring, all of that under just one course. It's designed for working professionals, so you don't need to be already an AI engineer. Just a basic grip on programming and math will work definitely for you. So why wait? The link for the program is given in the description box below. Go check it out right away. Okay, so now let's actually get into this. Now, before understanding harness engineering, let's look at how software development has traditionally worked. Earlier, when a company wanted to build an application, developers handled almost every step manually. They would understand the requirement, design the solution, write the code, test the application, find bugs, fix them, and finally deploy the software. The developer was the person doing most of the work. But things are changing. With the rise of AI coding assistants and AI agents, developers are no longer only writing code line by line. AI can now help developers generate code, analyze problems, write tests, and even suggest improvements. But here comes an important question. Can we simply give an AI tool a task and expect the perfect results? No. Yes, the answer is a clear no. Imagine hiring a new developer for your team. This stuff they don't know about your application structure, your coding practices, your database design, or your team's workflow. Even with great skills, they will need proper guidance and resources before they can evenly contribute. AI agents work in a similar way. They are powerful, but they need the right information, tools, and instructions to work effectively. Building that complete environment for AI agents is what we call harness engineering. In simple words, harness engineering is the process of creating the systems, workflows, tools, and rules that help AI agents work effectively in software development. Think of it like building a workspace for an AI developer. You provide the AI with the right tools, project knowledge, and guidelines so it can understand problems better and create more reliable solutions. For example, imagine you're working on an e-commerce application. You ask an AI agent, add a payment feature for my application. Without proper context, the AI may generate code, but it may not understand your existing system. It may not know how your database works. It may not know your security requirements. It may not follow your company's coding standards. But with a proper harness engineering setup, the AI agent gets access to the important information like how application is structured, how different services communicate, what coding standards need to be followed, what tests should be completed, and what security rules must be maintained. Now, the AI agent can make better decisions because it understands the bigger picture. Now, you must be wondering how exactly does harness engineering works? The first important part is giving AI the right context. AI models are powerful, but their output depends heavily on information they receive. Harness engineers create systems where AI agents can access project, documentation, code repositories, architecture details, and previous development decisions. This helps AI understand the project instead just getting random solutions. Now the second part is building automated workflows. Instead of manually asking AI to perform every small task, engineers create processes where AI can complete multiple steps together. For example, an AI agent can analyze a bug, find the related code, suggest a fix, update the files, run automated tests, and prepare the changes for developer review. This saves time and improves productivity as well. Now, the third part is creating safety controls. AI can make mistakes just like humans. So, harness engineering focuses on adding rules and checks. Another example is that AI should not change critical security files without should always run tests before submitting the code. The AI should follow the company's development standards. These guardrails make AI generated work safer and more reliable. Now you must be wondering, is harness engineering and the AI engineering are the same thing? No, the answer is no. They are completely different. AI engineering focuses on building AI systems and applications. For example, creating chatbots, recommendation systems, machine learning models, and AI-powered products. Whereas harness engineering focuses on improving the environment where AI agents perform software engineering tasks. One builds AI solutions, the other helps AI become a better building software. One builds AI solution, the other helps AI become better at building software. So, what skills does a harness engineer need? First, a strong software engineering knowledge. Understanding programming languages, APIs, databases, cloud platforms, and system design is very important. Second, knowledge of AI concepts. Understanding large language models, AI agents, retrieval systems, and automated workflows helps engineers build better AI-powered development environments. Third, the knowledge of developer productivity tools. So these are the skills that is being required by a harness engineer. Testing works, CI/CD pipelines, code review systems, and automation platform all play an important role in this. Now answering the last question for this video, which is why is harness engineering becoming such a big topic? So here's the answer. Because the future of software development is not only about writing code faster, it is about creating smarter systems where humans and AI can work together. Developers may spend less time writing repetitive code and more time designing systems, solving complex problems, and guiding AI agents. So, the role of developer is changing. The question is no longer only how fast can you write the code. The new question is how effectively you can build an environment where AI can help you build better software. And that is exactly what harness engineering is all about. It is about creating the perfect setup where AI agents have the right tools, knowledge, and rules to become reliable software development partners as follows. As AI continues to transform the technology industry, understanding concepts like harness engineering can help developers prepare for next generation of software development. So if you found this video very helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what AI topic you want us to explain the next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.